Hi, I'm Harish Godeti and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited about the new announcement from Zoho about the launch of the new product Qntrl. So today I'm going to talk about what Qntrl is and why you need to care about it. When I first really used this product, when I first touched this product, I was so shocked that it is not getting the deserved attention from Zoho or from the market, because this is probably the best workflow automation tool I have ever used. So without further delay, let's jump in and look at what we are going to talk about Qntrl in today's video. So today we are going to learn about what is Qntrl, a little bit history of Qntrl, then why is it going to be a game changer for your business, then finally how to gain the first mover advantage. I believe the fourth point is really important because you really need to know the first mover advantage. It really matters in business. So I'm going to tell you how to get it. So let's just continue. So what is Qntrl? So Qntrl is a no-code workflow orchestration software. It had another name, which I'll talk about it in a second, but it's a no-code workflow orchestration software. Yes, it allows you to code, it allows you to create plugins, all that stuff, but if you are just a business user and want to use it, it is a completely a no-code workflow orchestration tool. So the next thing is Qntrl can help you automate all your core and also auxiliary business processes. So anything that you have, whether it's your core business process or auxiliary supporting business process, you can automate with Qntrl. So Qntrl helps you stay on top of compliance requirements, as you can set up different types of business rules. So for example, if the particular process runs for a longer time, or if the particular task is pending for so many months, then you probably have to do something else, right? Those kind of rules you can set up so that you don't you work around compliance requirements. You can stay on track with your compliance requirements. So Qntrl is also designed for businesses of all sizes. Trust me when I say that, because Qntrl can be used like a solopreneur, who wants to have some virtual assistants and then want to automate most of his business, or it can be used by an enterprise with thousands of employees. Doesn't matter. It is built for and designed and built for businesses of all sizes. Also, the cool part is Qntrl provides a mobile application, so you can still access it when you are on the move. So that's super cool. So you can complete your tasks and jobs while you are still on the move. So that's a very brief introduction about Qntrl. Again, on this channel I'm going to do a lot of videos on Qntrl because this is my favorite product, and as you know, I'm the founder of EasyBiz Systems. We provide managed automation services, and Qntrl is part of our strategy, core strategy. It plays a very important role because we want our clients to get the return on investment like within days, and within days, not like months and years. So Qntrl is part of our core strategy. So we are going to see a lot of content around Qntrl in the future videos. So do me a favor, so go ahead and hit subscribe to this channel so that you can learn more about how Qntrl can help you scale your business. And also, if you like this video, click on the like button so that more people like you can watch this video and gain more from Qntrl. So let's move on. So history of Qntrl. Qntrl was previously known as Orchestly. That's when I came to know about it, when I touched it, and I was part of the Zoho One platform. Since I'm a Zoho, I run my entire business on Zoho One. I know Orchestly, I use Orchestly, so that's how I came to know. So what it does is it offers a unique opportunity to business owners to automate their business processes without the help of any IT personnel. So even my staff members can just go ahead and build the orchestration required without the help of any third party or any external IT resources, IT personnel. That's the super cool aspect of it. So finally, Zoho have decided to rebrand Orchestly as a new product, Qntrl, and as an independent business unit. So if you are an existing Zoho One customer, you will still have access to Qntrl, and new customers who join Zoho One or who sign up for Zoho One after May 15th, they will not have Qntrl as part of the platform. So they will have to buy it outside, and it still makes sense and it's still valuable because Qntrl is priced very competitively, which I'm going to talk in the next slide. So that's a brief history of Qntrl. Now, why is it going to be a game changer? This is my opinion, why it's going to be a game changer. So with teams working from home and business models changed, unfortunately, because of the pandemic, process automation is going to be the key to the success of any business. So if you don't automate, right, you have to, and you are remote, you have to do spend a lot of time on manual processes, right? So process automation is going to be the critical aspect that will help businesses scale and be successful in 2021 and beyond. And till now, business owners had to depend on expensive software and consultants to implement process automation and workflow automation. With Qntrl, you gain the much needed freedom. So typically the way it works is when people want to automate something, or they have a problem that few processes are taking too long, excuse me, they're going to go ahead and hire a consultant, and they recommend some software, so they're going to pay for it and then get the job done. So now you don't have to do that. You can just sign up for the free trial, go ahead and give it a try, and automate most of your stuff. So the competitive pricing with a ton of features makes it a clear winner among the competition. So I'm going to do another video where I do the comparison of the product, but right now I'm going to tell you that the pricing model as well as the features that it offers, like there are a ton of them, it is a clear winner among the competition. So stay tuned for the video that I'm going to post on by comparing this with its market equivalents of market competition that we have out there. So that makes it a clear winner among the competition. So that's the reason I believe Qntrl will be a game changer in 2021 and beyond. So how to gain the first mover advantage? So with the competitive pricing and robust features, it's only a matter of time every business adopts Qntrl. So every business will see its value eventually and will start adopting it. So what I recommend is you get started with the core business processes and automate them first using Qntrl, so that within your competition, within your industry, your segment, you will be the first one to reap the benefits. So take that first mover advantage, don't lose it, take action and go ahead and automate your core business processes so you can stay ahead of the competition. So first of all, focus on all the business processes that have the most impact in the sense either revenue impact, client satisfaction impact, doesn't matter. So look at all your business processes and focus on the stuff that has processes that have the most impact. So what I have a very exciting offer for you that you cannot ignore, which will transform your business forever. So what I want you to do is, in the comments below, in the description section, I have a link for you to sign up for the free trial and schedule a call with me to get started. So if you are coming through this video, if you watch this video, and if you are actually connecting with me through this video, then the offer really is, I'm going to build a complete orchestration for you for free. It's totally free of charge. I'm going to show you how exactly Qntrl can transform your business absolutely free of cost. So that is my exciting offer for people watching this video. So don't wait on it, just go ahead, give it a try. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So go ahead, sign up and for the free trial, and then let me know. We'll get on a call and get this thing started, so you have the first mover advantage. So I hope you like this video. Again, go ahead, subscribe to this channel so that I'm going to share a lot of content around Zoho Qntrl and other Zoho products. At the same time, I'll gonna help you really scale your business with the right technology products. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk in the next video.